Ever wondered why GoPro Hero 11 Black Bundle changes action filming forever? Ever felt like your action camera just isn't keeping up with your adventures? Dropping frames, shaky footage, or missing epic shots can be so frustrating. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Comment yes if you've ever wished your camera could truly keep up with your adventures, capturing every detail effortlessly. Deadlines, social media pressure, and capturing the perfect shot can quickly turn fun into stress. Imagine having a camera that works with you, not against you, keeping your footage smooth, detailed, and vibrant without adding more chaos to your day. The Hero 11 Black might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Meet the GoPro Hero 11 Black Bundle, your ultimate adventure companion. With a revolutionary new 1/1.9-inch CMOS sensor and GP2 processor, it delivers 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 27-megapixel high-resolution photos, perfect for capturing breathtaking detail. The new 8:7 max aspect ratio lets you frame more sky, horizon, or action, ideal for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization ensures even the shakiest moments, like biking downhill or chasing your kids, look cinematic. This bundle includes a head strap plus QuickClip for hands-free POV shots, plus 2 Enduro batteries that double your shooting time and thrive in cold weather. One professional said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow." Here's a small tip. Try cropping your 5.3K footage for vertical posts. It preserves stunning detail every time. The Hero 11 Black isn't just about specs. It's about transforming how you capture memories. Efficiency, focus, and performance reach a new level with features like 2.7K, 240 slow motion, auto boost stabilization, and a water-repelling lens cover that reduces flare. Adventure influencers rave. The head strap and QuickClip are total game changers for POV filming. Analysts note that the 8:7 aspect ratio future-proofs your content, eliminating the frustration of choosing between horizontal or vertical framing. Users report stunning results on family trips, surfing, and extreme sports. "I never miss a moment, and my videos look professional every time." From skiing to skateboarding, Hypersmooth 5.0 keeps every shot silky smooth, while the Enduro batteries ensure longer sessions without panic. Which feature would save your day? Comment below. We'd love to hear your pick. Every frame, every motion, every adventure feels more vivid, immersive, and shareable with this bundle. Limited stock alert. Thousands have already leveled up their adventures with the Hero 11 Black Bundle. Don't wait. Secure yours today and see the difference for yourself. The extra Enduro battery and versatile head strap plus QuickClip mean you capture more, shoot longer, and never miss a moment. Click now to unlock a secret tip that helps you create smoother, cinematic videos effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator or adventure lover, this bundle transforms how you capture every epic moment.